just saw and I was like, oh, that was good. I was watching this video and it was saying that this kid was like the embodiment of ADHD. This dad's over here trying to tell him that, all right, so you're on a boat and it's covered in chocolate and bananas. What are you eating first? And then the kid's like, oh, I've been on a boat before. Yeah, I've been on a boat before. And then he keeps asking him, he's like, yeah, I've been on a boat. Oh my God, and this kid over there cracking up. And then he said it again. He's like, I like chocolate too.
That's too good.
I was like, poor kid.
Oh my
Um,
god.